Morning guys, welcome to my channel. I am here doing the Perseverance package and I finished. So I'm gonna flip through really quick and show you the package of everything that I completed. And this took about a couple of months to complete. You're supposed to soak in the word, write down prayers or your thoughts. So that's what I did. And I want to end the package with the last, well, they call it 4 steps to perseverance, which is pray, prepare, plant your feet, and press on. So I want to put this in the last page and glue it on, and then I'm gonna write around it. I'm gonna write around it my thoughts of what I thought about the package. So this was my last entry, and here I'm gonna put the 4 steps. So I'm gonna go it onto here with my package, with my glue stick, and then that's it. I hope you enjoyed my Perseverance package. Hope you enjoyed, or I gave you ideas on what to do with your package. And I hope you enjoyed it, or enjoy it as much as I did. God bless. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you on our next journey. God bless.